Konica Minolta Sensing, the leading manufacturer of color measurement instruments, offers the CM5 benchtop spectrophotometer, a vital tool in research and development, quality assurance, and laboratory testing. Used by top companies all over the world, the CM5 takes the guesswork out of color evaluation. The CM5 measures a variety of samples with different material characteristics such as liquids, powders, paste, and granules, as well as the haze of transparent films and glass. The transmittance chamber can hold large sheets up to 60 millimeters thick. A variety of functions and accessories set this innovative spectrophotometer apart. With the versatile CM5, you can measure in reflectance or transmittance. Easily calculate average measurements for textured samples. Create target values for color difference measurements. Calculate haze through powerful SpectraMagic NX software. With an easy-to-use wizard mode, measurements are performed by everyday users or occasional users alike. Stored data can be saved to a USB drive, making it easy to switch users and save settings without going through manual setup each time. In addition to the USB feature, the CM5 can store 4,000 measurements and 1,000 target colors in its large memory. You can even switch language settings. To begin, just switch the instrument on, perform zero calibration, and then white calibration before each color measurement session. There is also an option to perform white calibration automatically. After calibration, place your sample on the top port or in the selected transmittance sample holder and press the measurement button. What could be easier? Scroll through a variety of results including LAB, color difference, 3D color space, and spectral curve. Quickly switch various modes in reflectance or transmittance, including Petri dish and liquid. Configure the CM5 to your measurement requirements. To perform a reflectance measurement in Petri dish mode, put the special target mask in place followed by the glass accessory piece. Perform zero calibration and then an external white calibration through the glass piece. This will normalize the instrument when measuring samples through a Petri dish. Proceed to measure your targets and samples in reflectance mode as normal. The liquid mode will guide you through proper sample preparation, which includes zero calibration inside the transmittance chamber, as well as a simultaneous white calibration, clear water, and cell holder calibration procedure before measurement. In addition to classic colorimetric evaluation systems, the CM5 liquid measurements are evaluated in terms of industry-specific indices. The CM5 has an average measurement mode for textured materials. Calibrate, set the auto measurement, turn the sample while automatic measurements are being taken. This setting is also used with color difference. For color difference, measure the sample color and the standard color, then save the values for each measurement. The differences between the sample and standard are calculated using the resulting colorimetric values. Differences are shown numerically to identify color inconsistencies between products. Requirement with the versatile CM5 benchtop spectrophotometer.